trips. Me no want that. Me know how to do that. The border is there. The border is there. And these are the stuff that we're not talking about. We only appear what shared. You understand my mind? We're not paying none of that mind. You never hear them people here yet. We have the angle because them job depend on it. You understand me? Them job depend on what you say and who you defend. So you can't talk about the lower market. Who buy out the whole of Grace product. You can never speak about that. You can never speak about certain crowd. I else you cannot go to certain function. Well, true, me not have no jacket suit because that of the dead people. So for them function and long stem glass, me don't wish to drink outside. So me can sit on right here and drink off a bottle of anything. So if more anything if it make me feel like somebody, me go up a price mark, go buy it. Cheap, like duty free. But you never hear them people that get involved in the country's cry towards any authority there is. So it caused me to wonder now if you're very selective in what you talk about. So why should I listen to a selective speaker? I'ma always talk it. So we rather kill one in order for us to look good. It's the girl, man. It's the girl, man. The story never told without a title. And me can't understand. It's your man and the girl man. So why the girl cannot share certain information with her man? Whether it want be secret service, civil service, or any sort of service, through a church service. Because she isn't married? What? Because they are in separate team? Secret no come in a relationship, let me tell you that. There is nothing important to me like my man. That's what she's saying. Exactly. So I don't understand. I cannot understand this. You share down to your medical record with the person who you sleep with. You share your savings with the person who you sleep with. So why is it I can't share something where bother me? Why can't I share my job? What is affecting me at work? At work! It doesn't matter. You can't say it's not the sharing that him a come talk. We don't put bridle upon people's mouth. We don't do that. I never secret. It was secret to us. It wasn't secret to any athlete. So you can't say it's not the sharing. It's him a come talk. They are rivals. Jamaican US are rival. So whatever you ever use ammunition, you're glad you hear it.